This is what a brand new condo unit looks like in Uptown BGC. And you may secure yours without down payment. Semi-furnished, included na yung cooktop, range hood, fridge, washer-dryer, microwave, and aircon. Pet-friendly with hotel-type amenities. It is also has futuristic features like high-speed elevators and e-vehicle parking and charging stations. Before I proceed, comment BGC para po masend ko sa inyo yung full details. For as low as 26,000 pesos per month without down payment, pwede mo na ma-secure yung unit mo dito. Perfect for personal use, investment, and rental business. Located in a 15 hectares township inside BGC where everything is within your reach. Walking distance sa malls, restaurants, multinational offices, prestigious schools, and hospital. It is only 8 kilometers away lang din from international airport kaya very perfect for expats, OFWs, and foreigners. It is newly launched and 2031 is the target turnover kaya naman ideal for long-term investment dahil siguradong tataas yung value in the upcoming years. If you're interested, feel free to send a direct message or comment down below. You may also visit my website www.condosinbgc.com. Like, follow, and share for more videos. Salamat!